Welcome back, YouTube, to another Fat Guy Builds. Today, we're doing an oil change on my new 2009 work truck here. And it's the 2500 Ram with the 6.7 Cummins. Step 1, pop your hood. Take off the oil fill cap. You're going to get a drain pan. And you're going to get an extension on a 3/8 drive. And you're going to stick it into this drain plug on the bottom and then let it drain in your pan. Here's the part number for the oil filter. It's a Wix 57620. Here's the oil I'm using. It's AMS Oil Signature Diesel Max Duty 5W40. Oil filter is that white thing right there, and you get it from underneath. And it's right next to the air intake. Go into the turbo, just unscrew that, drain it into your drain pan. You're gonna use these type of pliers, and there's plenty of room to go in sideways like this. And the filter was right there. Sorry, I already took it out. But yeah, you just grab it, and then you just like this. And there's plenty of room to get in there, but you need this kind of wrench if you want to make your life easy. I'm gonna pre-fill my filter till it gets up to like the bottom of the threads here, and then put a little coating of oil on here. Get a rag and brake cleaner, clean off the mating surface for the oil filter. Start and run the engine till it gets to operating temperature. Shut it off. And then check the oil level after 30 minutes. When you're checking the oil, go ahead and wipe it first, then put it back. Pull it back out. And as you can see here, there's the top of the safe and the bottom of the safe. And it's right in the middle. So 12 quarts for me was perfect. You might have to use a little bit, a little bit extra or whatever, but for me, 12 quarts was perfect. Hopefully this video helped all of you guys change your own oil, save some money, because it does take a lot of oil to fill this beast up. So paying the prices at the place is a little bit ridiculous. So like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.